Hello friends. So recently we moved into a new office, and the new office is made up of lots of glasses. So the cabins are made out of glasses. Um, the building front portion, which actually overlooks the road, is also glass. We are on the fifth floor. So while inside glass cleaning is okay, we can manage doing that once in a week, but the glass facing the road, which is almost impossible for us to clean, there is no way we can do it regularly. Even for doing it once in a year, we need to hire somebody to do it. And because we recently moved into it and we wanted to have a solution to see how we can achieve this, while searching on the internet, I found this interesting machine. It's called Robot X5. It's made by a company. I don't remember the brand because I just quickly ordered it online and wanted to see how it works. So this video is about the unboxing of this machine. Please don't mind. I like Indian tea, and I like to have it in this cup. So, and I enjoy having tea while actually doing such videos. So what I was trying to say is, this is an unboxing video of that machine. I don't know how effective it is going to be for the purpose I purchased it for, but let's do the unboxing first. So this is the outside packaging. There was nothing else there was a plastic wrapper on top of this, which the courier guy had put, but I just removed it. Now I'm just quickly going to remove it. Okay. So, okay, the brand name is Alfawise glass cleaning robot. It has a QR code for an app for both iOS and Android, but I don't know what they do. It doesn't. I don't know whether it can be controlled by an app or not. If it is, then it's really good. I didn't see that while ordering it. So if it actually works through, yeah, it is a little heavy. So. Okay, I'm going to keep this box aside. It has nothing else in it, just packaging. So that was a packaging box, and this is the actual manufacturer's box. Now, if you ask me honestly, the feel is really premium. It has a matte finish to it, and it is not looking like those cheap Chinese boxes or packaging. It has a nice crease to all the edges. So, and the finish is matte. The printing is also premium. No smudges, no extra ink anywhere. Doesn't look like a duplicate copy. I can't be sure. I'm just telling you what I am finding it as. So here is the details of features. App. Okay, app control. So yes, you can control this through an app. It has. Okay, it's a little heavy, so I'm just trying to hold it upright near the corner, near the camera. AI technology for glasses. Okay, so you can't use it on a glass which is thinner than 3 mm, and I can understand that. I'm sure if you hang a heavy object like this on a glass thinner than 3 mm, it'll take it all down. So cleaning speed about 2.5 minutes per meter square. 3 kinds of automatic, auto finish, embedded UPS. So it has an uninterrupted UPS power supply. I knew about that while ordering. I had seen it. So it has a safety mechanism. If you lose power while it is running, it will not drop off the glass. It'll get stuck there and it'll start alarming. That I had read about. So anti-dropping control algorithm, auto detect edges of window, microfiber cloth, high strength safety rope, remote control, table cleaning mode, power consumption. So the remote control part, I don't remember seeing that while ordering. If it has one, it is really good, but then it also has an app, so both are very good. So these are the features it has. Now let's quickly open it up. So that is the box, and here is the user manual. Okay, this product doesn't look like a cheap replica of some other brand. I mean, because even if you look at the manual print quality and the book, the thickness must be about 15-20 pages. uh, the printing is good, the font is good, and the English, let me read the English. Always switch the device off before carrying out any cleaning or maintenance work. Glass bodies cleaning robot that works on multiple surface of glasses, tiles, smooth walls and tape. So the English doesn't look like the Chinese translated English. So I'm sipping my tea in between, so please bear with me. It works with a built-in vacuum motor that helps. So this doesn't look like a cheap manual, the usual one-pager, two-pager manual. The English is good enough. I mean, it is something like someone has sat across the table and wrote this manual. Quite thick, print is good, has a not complete glossy or complete matte finish. It's a semi-gloss, semi-matte finish kind of texture. So I'm going to keep this aside for now. Here is the quick start guide. Just like the usual one, tells you what is what. Safety, rope attachment, no, washable clothes, power input, exhaust vent. Okay, I'm going to keep this aside as well. Hold on. So here is this spray bottle, doesn't have any liquid inside. Affirmation: this product is manufactured in China due to the stringent quarantine of exporting liquid product. There is no cleaning solution in the standard wiper robot for export. Only the water spray bottle is required. Okay, I can understand why they cannot export liquids to other countries in such export boxes. Fair enough. So I'm going to keep that aside. These, I guess, are the holders for the pad, for the cleaning pad. Okay, we'll see that later. Now, okay, these are the extra pads. Now, I don't know how many are there, but looking quite many. Never mind, we'll see that a little later. So I'm going to pull this outside and see what is there inside. There is this power cord. I think it's the EU standard, but works for India. Quality is fine, and not a bad quality. It's good enough. Has an emboss. So 0.75 square mm. Supports up to 300 volts. Okay. Here's the remote. A very good looking remote, just like the Amazon Fire Stick or Xiaomi TV remote. Has a good feel to it. Not heavy, because I think the cells are not there inside. It has a small LED here. Keep that aside. This must be the extension cord. Don't know how long it is, but we'll see that later. This must be the power brick. So there's nothing in this box. I'm going to keep this aside. Okay. Wow. So this is a power brick, but this is unusually heavy. I mean, a power brick of this size usually doesn't weigh this heavy. I don't know whether it is made heavy intentionally so it doesn't drag while the robot is cleaning, or the actual material inside is that heavy. But if you look at the overall sturdiness and fit and finish of this brick, looks premium, looks heavy. The cable quality is nice. Now I'm not saying this because I want to impress you with the product. I'm saying it because I buy a lot of products. About 70 to 80% of them come from China, and the places where I know they do really bad work is these kind of stuffs: power adapters, cables, connectors. They really use very cheap plastic and quality for these things. They may do justice to the actual product, the main unit, but these miscellaneous small accessories which comes with the product, they generally don't have very good finish. But this one is a little different. So this is this has a very good finish to it, a little heavy, looks premium. So I'm going to keep this aside as well for now. There's nothing in the box, so I'm going to keep this back. So here is the main unit. Now, okay, just to ensure that there is nothing else inside and outside the box, I'm going to take this one out of my way as well. Okay, thank you, boxes. Oops. Okay, so here is the actual product. I'll put this one back. So it is not very heavy, and it's very light. It is I would say about half a kilogram. This is, I guess, the safety harness we read about during the unboxing of the manufacturer box. I don't want to remove this because I'm sure if I remove this, it'll start interfering with my rest of the process of the video making. So leave it for now. So here it is. So this is, oops. Okay, so I think the one we saw in the beginning is actually an extra pair of these holders. I mean, these pad holders. That's good actually. I mean, you have two pairs. One is with the device, with the main device, and another one spare. So I'm sure they must have given this because though there is a safety harness, by chance if it falls off your glass and ends up breaking its limbs, I mean getting it fractured, you must have something else to get the job done or get the job going. So is the reason why they have these, I guess. Now if you don't have this, I'm sure this will be bedridden patient. So anyways, and I don't know where we can buy these, if at all, if we can, if we lose both the pairs. So we'll have to be very careful about that. So that's all guys for now. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching. Now this is just the unboxing video. Now just to show you in all what and all we got in this. So here is the main unit, the additional suction cup, pad holder, whatever you call them, spray bottle, doesn't have anything inside. You can put whatever inside. You can probably put the glass cleaning liquid, Colin or whatnot. You have one power brick cord. There is a remote onto it. There is no cell supplied with the remote, unlike there's a power brick, a pretty good one, heavy, with a power cord. I don't know how long that is, must be a meter. This, I don't know how long the cable is, but I feel looking at the weight of this and the bunch of number of turns, must be around 3 meters. And here is the suction pads, the spare ones. Now I don't know how many are these, so let me quickly see. Let me just open one of these. Okay, so there are they both of same size? They look like, now why would they give a different size? But are they all of the same texture, same type, same grit, like how we have the sandpapers? They all look the same. Okay, so one good thing I found is the number of consumables. Like you have half a dozen pair and one is already here, so you have about 7 pairs of these along with the main unit. I'm sure these things add cost to the entire product, and generally the manufacturers would reduce the consumables, number of consumables, so to keep their price attractive for the consumers. So if they have included 6 pair as spare and then a pair of these holders also along with the unit, I must appreciate that actually. So here are the stars. So here is a quick manual and here is the user guide. So guys, thanks for watching the video. This is all you get when you buy one of these. If you need more information, you can leave a comment on the video. If you need any help, you can leave a comment or anything for that matter. I will be testing this live. Soon after this video, I will be doing power on test of this unit. That may not have a lot of real-time testing scenario, but it's just a power on test video. Post which I will actually take it to my office and try to run it live on the glasses and see whether it actually does what it says it will do. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Bye for now.